Hello and welcome to the Ministry of JavaScript. So basically we are moving toward the advanced topic of an array, and in this video we will be learning about the another prototype method of an array, which is called .sum. If I tell you that why do we use sum, then basically what will sum do, it will search the condition in an array, whatever the condition you provide inside the callback function, it will try to find it inside an array, and if found it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So let's just implement it. In this example we have an array of 1 to 5, right? 1 2 3 4 5, and what I want to do is I want to find that whether the 3 exist in this array or not, right? So to do that, I will write array.sum, and this sum will take a callback function as a parameter, and this callback function takes up to 3 parameters, right? The first one is value, the second one is index, and the third one is array itself. We just want to work with the value at the moment, right? So you can name it whatever you want. I'm naming it as well, and I will try to find it inside the current the array we have. Now what do we want to do? We want to check whether the val is triple equal to 3 or not. Let me just come over here and console.log this thing. Then as you can see that it has returned true. Why? Because the value 3 exists in our in an array which we have implemented this sum function. So let's suppose if I come over here and write 31, then it will return us false because 31 does not exist in the list of an array. But if I come over here inside the list of an array and I write 31, and then it will return true. So what does this sum do? Basically this sum will find the condition whatever you are writing inside the callback function. It will try to find that condition inside your array. For example, in this example we have we wrote that we want to search whether the value of 31 exists in our array or not. So in this case it is returning true because 31 do exist in our array list, and in case if it does not exist, then it will return false. So .sum can be very useful if you want to search any kind of an element inside your array, and you can use .sum method. So that's all from this video. I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.